Here we go. This is break 1458. The 2021 Absolute Baseball One Box Pick Your Team. We have Rafael Devers of the Boston Red Sox going to James. Ed Rush of the Cincinnati Reds to Brian. Aaron Judge of the New York Yankees going to Cynthia. Then we have Mookie Betts of the Dodgers headed to Darian, followed by Yu Darvish of the San Diego Padres going to Paul. Then we have Mr. Chris Bryant of the Chicago Cubs out of 99 headed to Cynthia. A rookie class, Alex Baum of the Philadelphia Phillies going to Michael. And then we have Debbie Garcia, rookie class out of 149 of the New York Yankees heading to Cynthia. And now on to our memorabilia cards. We have the tools of the trade, Matt Olson of the Oakland Athletics, and then the out of 99, Jonathan Stever auto. That Matt Olson of the Oakland Athletics going to Harry, followed up by Jonathan Stever of the Chicago White Sox going to Brian. Then we're on to our second box in this break. Before we jump into it, wanted to welcome James D, James C, Brian, and Jason. Thank you for joining us. You can use promo code NEWBT for 20% off your first order at BreakTraders.com. Jason, not a Dodgers fan. Max Scherzer of the Nationals going to Jason. Jose Ramirez of the Cleveland Guardians to Chris. Christian Yelich of the Milwaukee Brewers going to Phil. Jeff McNeil of the New York Mets to Cynthia. Rafael Devers of the Boston Red Sox out of 149 going to James. Randy Arozarena of the Tampa Bay Rays, that extreme team, to Michael. A statistically speaking, Max Scherzer of the Washington Nationals going to Jason. And then a prospects, Austin Martin, out of 25 of the Toronto Blue Jays. And that is going to Jason as well. And then here we go. It is a patches out of 99. And then the out of 25, Joey Bart auto. Joey Bart of the San Francisco 49ers. Joey Bart of the San Francisco 49ers, and that is going to, or San Francisco Giants, going to Jeff. And then the patches, Jake Rogers out of 99 of the Detroit Tigers, and that is heading to Joseph. Alrighty. Let's run down these inserts and parallels. We have the out of 25 Austin Martin of the Toronto Blue Jays going to Jason. Max Scherzer of the Washington Nationals to Jason. Randy Arozarena of the Tampa Bay Rays going to Michael. Rafael Devers out of 149 of the Boston Red Sox going to James. Debbie Garcia out of 149 of the New York Yankees going to Cynthia. Alex Baum of the Philadelphia Phillies to Michael. And Chris Bryant of the Chicago Cubs out of 99 heading to Cynthia. And now on to our featured cards. First, we have our 2 patches. We have the Matt Olson Tools of the Trade of the Oakland Athletics headed to Harry, and the 18/99 Jake Rogers of the Detroit Tigers headed to Joseph. And last but not least, we have 2 autos. We have the /99 Jonathan Stever rookie signatures auto of the Chicago White Sox headed to Brian, and the /25 Joey Bart signature auto going to Jeff with the Giants. And with that, we are done with break 14, 15.